Guess who's back? Back again.
Daz. Hello, it's How To Not To. Here I am again using my Whirlpool washing machine to wash another load of clothes, and here they are, so I'm just going to pop them in the washing machine. So I'm using this aerial gel that keeps your clothes nice and fresh and does a brilliant job in whatever temperature. You can even do a cold wash and they come up brilliant. So I'm just going to pop the gel in with the clothes directly. So that's aerial gel, which is something that I regularly use, but I'm not just going to use aerial gel. I am also going to use this Daz. Yes, Daz. I'm sure you're familiar with that. That cleans whites and colours. So hopefully that will boost up the washing as well. So how much do you need for about 3 kilo load of clothes? I would say approximately, it states it there. So for 1 kilo, all you need is 35 ml. For 6 kilos, it's 55 ml, and for a 9 kilo load, it's 70 ml. And I'm going to put that directly in the dispenser at the top. Oh, the wrong one. I put it in the wrong one. And as you can see, the washing machine dispenser does need a good clean. And I will be doing a video on how to clean your washing machine, so look out for that video soon. Okay, I'm going to pour the conditioner in there. That's what I should have done in the first place, right in that hole there. Okay, what now? So now I'm going to set it to 40 degrees on a cotton wash, and I'll leave you with the washing machine. Ooh. So that's filling up with water. There's a lot of noise outside. So I've had this Whirlpool washing machine for a couple of years now, and I was thinking of buying a new one, but I think this washing machine's still got a few years left, so I'm going to continue with my washing machine. It's a good make. I haven't had any problems with Whirlpool. I know there has been some issues, especially the newer designs. There's some faults with them. They had to recall the washing machines. But with this old thing, it's still going strong. And yeah, they used to make them well back in the day. So now just washing the clothes. And there's my little friend that I have to feed. He's a cheeky chappy. He comes by every day wanting his nuts. He's been coming for his nuts for years. Never heard. So it's now doing what's it doing now? Okay, so it's now doing a rinse of the clothes. So not long now. Oh, what a nightmare. And that doesn't sound right. So I'm definitely going to have to investigate that noise. I think the drum's going. What can you do with a damaged washing machine drum? Can it be fixed on this old washing machine? I mean, what would you do? Would you just go out and buy a new one, or would you try and fix it? Let me just type in washing machine fix the drum. Is it the drum? I don't even know. But that doesn't sound right. It never makes that noise. I think it's time to say goodbye to this old washing machine now. It's probably done a few years already. It will cost about £50 to repair. I don't think it's worth it, do you? Can I fix it myself? Probably not. I think I'll leave it to the experts. I don't know. But I have to definitely check and see what that noise is. Yeah, another cause of noise in your washing machine is from loose weights. The weights are attached to the drum and they help to control any excess movements while the drum is spinning. But if the weights have become loose, they can produce a very solid thumbing sound. So it only makes that noise when it spins. When it does a spin cycle, it makes a loud noise, as you can hear now. So I think the drum is loose, isn't it? Loosey-goosey, loosey-goosey. Here are 4 of the most common reasons that your washing machine makes banging noises while running, and some tips for fixing them. Here, let's go. Number 1, the most common reason for noisy washing machines is that you've overloaded the tub, or that the clothes in the tub are unevenly distributed. So this will cause the inner tub of the washing machine to spin unevenly, often hitting against the outer tub and creating the banging noises. This seems to happen more with the top loading washing machines, which I don't have. So moving on to number 2. All washing machines have a part called a tub bearing, which the tub sits on, allowing it to move freely without resistance. If your washing machine makes a banging noises and if they get louder over time, this could be a good indication that the tub bearing is worn out. If the washing machine is a front loader, you can test if the bearing is bad by spinning the tub. Well, I might do that one. If there is unusual noise or the tub spins unevenly, it'll need to be replaced. A lack of lubrication may also cause a tub bearing to wear out more quickly. What is a pulley? Step 3, take a look at the drive pulley. Connected to the motor belt, the drive pulley is a wheel that rotates the inner tub of the washing machine. Over time, it can become loose and poor connection with the inner tub. It can lead to a lot of noise during the operation. Top loading washers usually have the drive pulley at the bottom of the machine, while front loaders typically have theirs at the back, making them a bit more accessible. Replacing the drive pulley requires getting into the internal components of your washing machine. Okay, step 4. A shock absorber is loose or broken. All modern washing machines have the tub suspended inside a metal chamber. This allows the tub to move and shake during its operation in order to clean the clothes better without harming the ground on which the machine sits. However, when a shock absorbing spring becomes loose or detached, it can cause the tub to become dislodged from its normal operational position. So consult your owner's manual. Well, fixing some of these problems may take some time and patience, which I don't have, and you may want to consider calling a repairman, which I do advise. I think to leave it up to the professionals to sort all that. If it's a simple fix, then obviously you can do it yourself, but something like this, I think you do need a professional to assess your washing machine. If your washing machine is very old, like mine is, then it's probably better to replace it, I think. Solves everything. And there are some smart tips for you. I hope they were useful. If they were, then please give this video a like. Okay, that's all I've got today. So this has been How To Not To, showing you another washing machine wash of my clothes. Some of you are interested in watching that. Why, I don't know. To me, it's very boring. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.